everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to use the habit tracker. Honestly, I think a habit tracker is one of the best ways to build consistency without overcomplicating things. And this Notion version is super easy to use. Once your habits are set up, all you have to do is track your progress and boom, everything updates automatically. By the way, if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to check the link in the description for more information about the planner. There's even a free version if you're just getting started with Notion. All right, let's jump in. To start using the habit tracker, head over to the home page. From the menu in the top left corner, simply create a new entry for today. Then all that's left is tracking your habits. As you complete them, the daily progress bar and overall statistics update automatically, giving you an instant overview of how your day is going. Now, if you'd like to customize your habits, simply open an entry and rename the existing properties. By default, the progress bars are configured for 10 habits. If you want to add an extra habit, I recommend duplicating one of the existing properties first. Rename it, then reveal the hidden properties used for the progress calculations. Next, open the progress bar formula and add the conditional formula shown on screen. Basically, it checks whether your new habit is completed and returns either a 1 or a 0. After that, update the final calculation by dividing by 11 instead of 10, or whatever number of habits you're using. Finally, head back to the dashboard, open the property settings, and display your new habit, and that's it. Okay, I know the setup sounds a little technical, but once it's done, you won't have to touch it again. And by the way, the exact same process applies to the monthly habit tracker and the quarterly habit tracker further down the dashboard. Now, the morning routine tracker is even easier to use because there's basically no setup required. The only thing you might want to customize is the list of habits themselves. And honestly, that's the best part. You're not locked into the same habits every week. You can change them whenever you want and even have a different number of habits depending on your goals. Everything else, including the progress calculations, updates automatically. And the night routine works exactly the same way. So really, once you've added your habits, all you have to do is check them off and let Notion handle the rest. Nice and simple. Next up, we have the skincare calendar, and honestly, it's one of my favorite features because it lets you track your skin's progress day by day. Before creating your first entry, click the blue arrow in the top right corner and make sure the template is set as the default one. Then simply click New. You don't need to rename the page since it won't be displayed on the dashboard, and the date is added automatically for you. From there, just enter your skin rating, any environmental factors that may have affected your skin, and if you'd like, upload a photo. And that's actually really cool because the photo will appear directly on the dashboard, giving you a visual timeline of your progress over time. Pretty satisfying to look back on, honestly.